Captain speaking. We're about to dock this motherfucker. With fucking Nemo here behind camera. Here we go. Oh, it's nice and calm inside here. Oh, I hear a seal. Yup, right there. Está acostado on the. Yeah, I forgot. Better not drop my phone, fool. How you recording? Silence? Here, look, we're gonna talk right there.
That's our spot, baby.
Here we go, yo. Right there.
Oh, it's like butter. Almost like you've done this before.
No, it's my first time.
Yes, sir. Is my job over?
That's it.